All right, we're going to take a look at the urinary system lab. So what I have here is, these were provided. So this is representing low urine. This is normal urine. This is high. And this is unknown A and unknown B. So the first thing that you're to do is to record the color of each. All right, so they go low, normal, high, A, and B. All right, so I think you can see the colors on there. I'll just move them a little bit so that you can see the different colors. All right, you're to record color. All right, the next thing we're going to do is record the pH. So I'm just going to take a pH strip. I'm going to dip it in each one. And I'll come back and show you the pH. All right, so we're going to use the pH strip here to see. All right, so the first one is sort of a red color. So we're going to go with, that's pretty acidic. So maybe a pH of about 3. All right, so if you can see that, there you go, pH of about 3. The next one is normal. And that's probably a pH of about 6. All right, so I'm measuring that. The next one is pH of about 8 or 9, somewhere between 8 and 9. All right, that's a green color. Unknown A, it's a low pH, probably like below there, it's about 3. And unknown B is probably again about a 9 pH. Okay, so you can see in your lab what's normal pH. All right, so low again, just to give you the numbers, is about 3. Normal is probably about a 6. High is between 8 and 9, probably closer to about 8. Unknown A is about a 3 again. And unknown B is probably about a 9 pH. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to test glucose and protein. And so we use a glucose test strip like this. And so there are 2 things on here. The top one, that greenish one, that's going to test for glucose, and the second one is going to test for protein. So basically, if there's a color change from these, they are positive for protein, usually if they get darker. So I'm going to dip each one and then I'll compare it to the original one. This one you have to wait just a little bit for the results. Okay, so it takes just a little bit of time to get some results here. Okay, so I'll wait. I know this is very exciting to stand here and wait for the results. I'm just looking at what it's supposed to do to see if they come out right. All right, so low. I don't know if you can see that compared to the original one. It is pretty much the same. So that is negative for both glucose and protein. Okay, normal, again, I don't know if you can see that, pretty much the same. Also negative for glucose and protein. Let me take this around so that you can see it a little better. Okay. All right, sorry if I make you sick here. All right, here's high. All right, so you can see there's definitely a change there. Both of them got darker. So that is positive for both glucose and protein. Okay, so you see that difference. All right, we'll go with unknown A. Okay, sorry. there's unknown A, sorry. All right, so you can see that the glucose turned that brownish color, so that is definitely positive for glucose, but negative for the protein. All right, see how it's about the same color. All right, and then the last one is unknown B. And there we go. Unknown B looks about the same. I think that second one is going to turn, it's looking like it's turning a little darker. Probably if I let it go here for a little while, it'll turn darker, but B is negative for glucose. That's the top one. It's the same. All right, and the protein is going to be positive. All right, like I said, if I wait and sit for a little bit, you see how it's changing just a little darker. It'll get darker like this high one here. Okay, so again, pH, I went over the pH of each one and the glucose and protein, so you mark that on your sheet there, all right, so that you know. And then the other thing you have to test is specific gravity. So without going through specific gravity, I'm just going to give you the results of the specific gravity. So there it is. Low is about 1, normal is about 1.023, high 1.038, unknown A is 1.035, and unknown B is 1.039. All right, so you can record that on your chart and then answer the questions for part 1 only. You do not have to do part 2 because that's testing your own urine, and you don't have these test kits at home to test it. I know that would be fun, but sorry, I'm not going to test my own here either. So, but we'll just do the fake urines here.